Hello guys, today I will be presenting a solution for infinite cascading lookups in Sharepoint 2013. Here are I created a few of my demo lists named country, province, city and town. I created a parent-child relationship between these four lists. The country The list country is a lookup in province, whereas province is lookup in the list named city, and city is a lookup in the list named town. You should be very careful while creating the list that every list should have a column named name, and this is the main list where all of these cascading lookups will be used. So these are the four lists, and in the main list here you can see that when you click on new item you can see these four lookups, four choices. The name of choice and the name of the list must be same, and we can have infinite cascading lookups here, and we should have a list against each choice that is shown here. Here we have the choice named country, and there is its corresponding list. Here we have province, its corresponding list is also there, and city's corresponding list is also there. Same is the case with the town. So let's see the list, province list here in list and list settings. Okay, here it is. The country is lookup in the list province, and the return type, the return field that is returned from the country list is the name, and same is the case with the province city list. The name of the province will be returned in the city list, and same will happen in the town, that the name of the city will be returned in the town list. So one more thing, the order of these four columns should be same as that of the columns. The order of the columns must be the same as you want the relationship in between them. For example, the country Pakistan, the province is the child of the list named country, whereas city is the child of province and town is the child of city. So you must be very careful when you create main list and create associated columns. You should take care of the order, and these columns are, I think, these columns that I made are choices, and they will automatically pick data from these lists in a cascaded manner. So let's have a demo here. For example, here I create new item. It's still working on it. Okay, here we have. So when you select Pakistan, we have the corresponding provinces of the country Pakistan. Then we have cities Karachi and no town under Karachi. Same is the case here. If I change the province to Punjab, and we have cities, this city is Lahore, and here we have towns. And you can create one more list, say streets, and you have to you have to make town as lookup in the list name streets, and in the main list you have to create a choice field name streets. The name should be same as that of the list, and it will automatically pick pick all the streets in that specific town. So how I did this, let's try creating a new list named streets under town, and we will also incorporate streets in the main list. So let's go to site contents, add an app, and create a custom list and name streets, and click create. So here we have a new list named streets. So I would like to make this list as child of town. So here we have new list named streets. So let's open it up, and we will create a new column with the name, and another one with abbreviation. Here title is a required column, so I would like to make it optional. So now we have a list named streets, and name, there should be a column name, and we should also be very careful in editing in the name of the column, because the solution that I will present will contain REST APIs, and once the item when the name of when the column is named, and if it's changed, then then the default name of the column that the REST API will use will be the first one. So I will also create a column named town. The name of the column and name of the list should be same. I will make it a lookup in the list named town, and I will return name. Okay, so here I have list name streets. So let's edit. I said street 1, abbreviation S1, and town I choose is small town, and street 2, I would like to have S2 will be the abbreviation, and to be under model town. Then I have Main Street, MS, and it will go into Festival Town, and we have street, Secondary Street, Festival Town. So so now I would like to incorporate the list streets in the main list as cascaded lookups. so I would like the streets to appear here. So, to do this, I should go here, list, under list settings, and create column. The name should be exactly same as streets. We'll make it choice. Delete all those choices here. And default value will be not applicable. So click OK. Now go to main list. Here we have streets. Create new item. Okay guys, as we have successfully created the street list, and I enter 4 streets under Model Town and Faisal Town. So let's create a new item in the main list where we want an infinite cascaded drop down. So here I will click on new item and I will choose country. Let's choose Pakistan, and province I will choose Punjab, and city we can choose I will choose Lahore, and under town I have Model Town and Faisal Town, as I created street 1 and street 2 under Model Town, and main street and secondary street under Faisal Town. So let's choose Model Town here and street 1. Click save. Here you can see that we have successfully created cascaded relationship between lookups. It is automatically when I selected the country Pakistan, it automatically detects its child, which is province, and look for all the provinces under Pakistan in the list name province. Same is the case with the city. When I select the province Punjab, it automatically detects its child, which is city, and then it goes in the list city and list uh, all the cities under Punjab. So it's all automatic. Let's click save here, and this is uh, the new list item that I just created. And if you want to, this script also work in the in edit forms too. For example, let's try editing this item. Click edit item, and I want to change the province to Sindh, and city Hyderabad, and town I choose Liaquat colony. Right now there are no cities under Liaquat colony, so let's add few streets under Liaquat colony. New item, let's edit, and first street in the Liaquat colony, and second street under Liaquat colony, and press enter. So here now we have two lists under Liaquat colony. So let's refresh this main page uh, and edit our province to Sindh. Then I will choose Hyderabad. Under Liaquat colony we have two streets, first street and second street. Choose the first street and click save. So here we have perfectly functioning cascaded infinite cascaded lookups. We can also create a new list name homes and repeat the same procedure. There are few things you should be very careful while in my next video will show how to incorporate these two scripts to to have an infinite cascaded lookups in SharePoint. Before going into the details of how to develop, how to incorporate that script, I would like to highlight some issues. These precautions are, the first one is that every list that you create, like here country, province, city, every list should contain two columns, that is name and abbreviation, the spelling and um, alphabetically they should be the same as shown here. Every list should contain a column name and column name abbreviation, and it should have associated relationship with the parent, and the name, the relationship name should be the same as that of parent. There should be no spaces or no editing. One should not edit column one it's name, named. If you rename that column, uh, this script will not work. You have to delete it and create a new one with the correct spellings. And in the main list where you open infinite cascaded lookups, your your name of the columns and the order of the columns as shown here, uh, name of the columns and the order of the column should be same as that of the parent child relationship, and the spellings, and there should be no spaces, no special characters, and it should be same as that of the associated this, so here I am all done with the demo. Now in the next video I will um, uh, explain how you can incorporate these few scripts whose link is available at the bottom. It's all. Thank you guys for watching this video, and any suggestion, comments, or improvements are welcome to my email address as shown below. Thank you. Hello guys, in the previous video I demonstrated infinite cascading lookups in the main list using four country, province, and city and town. So in this video I will show how to incorporate the provided codes below this video, whose links are provided below this video. These are these three files, which are clookup.html, clookup.js, and jQuery 1.9.1.min.js. So in order to incorporate these codes in new item and edit item forms, and this is the new item form, and here we have an edit item form. So in order to incorporate these three files in these two forms, you have to create a new document library named codes. Create a new document library named codes, and upload these two files first, which is clookup.js and jQuery.1.9.1.min.js. Whereas in your file explorer, open this clookup.html with any editor, your favorite editor. Here I am using Notepad++, and here we have our file, clookup.html. Here you have to copy the link of CLOOKUP and jQuery 1.9.1 like this. This is the full path of your file, and copy it and replace it with this one, with this source. And the second one is jQuery 1.9.1.min. Copy this full URL and replace it here. You should be very careful that jQuery.1.9.1.min.js should have lie above clookup.js. You should be very careful of the order, otherwise the script will not work. Just edit this file clookup.html, and then, as I told you earlier, initially you have to upload these two files, and you have to edit this file in the Explorer. Copy the path of these two files, absolute URLs, in the clookup.html. When your file is ready, you should upload this clookup.html in the course library. So here all the codes are uploaded successfully on your Sharepoint site. Now in order to incorporate these codes in the forms, just go here in the main list, open new item, edit page, add web part, go to media and contents and content editor web part and click add. As I have already the web part named content editor, so let's see here, click edit web part. Now copy the absolute URL of clookup.html, which is here. Just copy it and place it here under content editor like this, and click apply and click OK, and click stop editing. So you have to click apply or OK, and then, as I have already incorporated that script here, so I am just cancelling the stop editing. And you have to do it in the edit item, or you can also go here, modify form web parts, and you can also incorporate these scripts here, default new form and default edit form. By clicking default edit form, add a web part and repeat this same steps as I told you in the main list new item form. So you can, after incorporation of clookup.html here in codes library, it will automatically load these two scripts, jQuery and clookup.js, and after incorporating them in the main list in both forms, you will have successful infinite cascading lookups. That's it. I think it's a very simple solution, and of course it's absolutely free. Any bugs or problems can be reported on my GitHub page, and I will try to mm, to provide you with an appropriate solution. So thank you for watching this video. I am Arslan.Tahir, and any suggestions, feedbacks, or request for solutions can be request for free SharePoint solutions can be emailed me as shown below. Thank you very much.